Hey everyone, today I want to introduce you to Artistro watercolor paint set of 48 colors, and it says premium quality. I was watching Marianne over at Happy Paper People, and she had Candy on with her, and Candy was using this set, and oh wow, the colors were so amazing. I was saying, well, I hope they'll be the same for me. So I bought the set, and this is all of the colors you get in here. And this row down here is all shimmers. Really, really, really nice. So, and it comes with these 10 watercolor papers. And I'm just going to do like little splashes here and there to show you the vibrance of the colors. Because like I said, I have already played with this pack, and I absolutely love it. I paid a lot more for watercolors. I didn't like as much as this set. So it is Artistro. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I haven't done the swabs yet, but I'm going to. It comes with the water paintbrush, the regular paintbrush, an ultra fine tip marker, and a sponge. And it tells you where to post pictures of to tag them when you do work with their stuff. And then it tells you all the colors that are in here. So, I'm just going to play around with some of them. And the first one I'm going to show you is Cherry Red. Like I said, I really love these colors. Let me grab a paintbrush here. Give me some paint on it. And look at this. It is vibrant. It is very vibrant. But that's not the best part about it. I'm not sure if I can get any on this one. Probably not. I'll probably have to put some out in the palette to do that one. Let me try this one. What do I want to put in it? Let me put some of this yellow in there. Look how easily it blends in. I love it. It blends really easily. It grabs onto the color you're putting it on. But when you blot it, you can see the yellow is still shining through. I just love it. And then you have this fluorescence in here. So that's the fluorescent pink, which is pretty. My camera sucks. It's not picking it up good. Look at that. And I did find this on Amazon. I'm sure you can probably get it other places. It wasn't a lot, but it's well worth it to me. Like I said, I bought a lot more expensive watercolors that do not have this pigmentation to it. It just doesn't. And look at these colors. They're awesome. I think this one is supposed to be fluorescent too. It's in with them, so let's try it and see. Now the one thing I did not care for, and I'll show you, is the pinks. This is the pink shimmer. You don't know me and my pinks, but I wasn't happy with how light the pink is for the project I wanted to use it for. I mean, you can't even really see it, can you? And here's the other pink, other than the fluorescent pink, which does show up well. This one you have to do quite a few times to get the color desired. Okay. But everything else I absolutely loved. Look at that. Vibrant colors, absolutely brilliant. With that gold and silver in it, white and black. every shade of brown you can think of, which is great if you do a lot of nature painting like I do. I'm not using the best brush for this right now, but I just wanted to come on real quick before I forget all about it and show the different colors in here and how vibrant and beautiful they are. I really, really, really love these. See all the browns? They're just awesome. It's got a lot of green. I really like these greens. I'm not a green person, but I like these green paints. No, that's purple. Let's see, I didn't do this one. I think this is a fluorescent. Yeah, that's a fluorescent one. Let's see. Oh, this is one of the shimmers. This is, they say this is Ruby Sapphire, but check this out. This will make good for rusting. I mean, you could just paint over metal or plastic and make it look rusty with this. Really like that. So, like I said, there's all different shades, all kinds of blues, beautiful blues, absolutely gorgeous blues. Already did that one. So check them out. I'm going to be doing some watercolor paintings, and I will be doing some on my channel, so you'll get to see it a little better. Right now, I just wanted to show you these colors in this palette and introduce you to it and let you know that you can go to Amazon and find it. And it's Artist Row, R-O. And I'm sure I'm not saying that right, but that's the way I pronounce this. So, and it comes in this beautiful little box too. I love the box. Why did I do that? Uh-oh, they have... Oh, hold on. Hold your door, Myrtle. Let me see. First time I saw this. They have the paint pens. They have acrylic and multi-surface paint pens and bind jet paint pens. Yeah, I'm going to have to check them out. I really am. I'm going to check out their website and see what else they have, because I love this kit. So, yeah, if you're interested, go to Amazon and look them up. It's Artist, R-O, watercolor paint set, premium quality, 48 colors. Just look for this box. And that's the one, okay? Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I hope some of you will be watercoloring with me. See you soon.